Coming to Unit 3, Digital Electronics, important topics and questions for external examination, university examination. You can see the syllabus, Digital Electronics. Digital Electronics overview of number system. This is very important. You can get convert binary to digital, digital decimal, or decimal to binary, or binary to hexa, like that. Convert a number 110.91 into hexadecimal or decimal, converting number from binary to octal, binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. Different number systems are there. Definitely you will get convert, and you have to convert by using calculator. You can convert easily, but you have to solve the question by expressing how to convert. That is very important. Overview of number system, universal gates. Explain universal gates. What are universal gates? What are universal gates? Are NAND and NOR. Why? Because by using NAND and NOR, you can realize any type of gate. Any operation can be realized by using NAND and NOR. By using 2 NAND, 2 NOR, you can realize any operation. What is meant by BCD code? Binary coded decimal. The binary coded decimal is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, like that it is coded. Next, XS3 code and gray code. These two Hamming code. Three codes are important. XS3 code, gray code, and Hamming code. Three codes are definitely you will get any one code. If you learn three codes effectively, then any one you can get a question. That is BCD code, XS3 code, and gray code, Hamming code. Hamming code and gray code both are very important. Hamming code and gray code both are very important. These codes are unweighted codes, non-weighted codes, but BCD code is a weighted code. Non-weighted codes. And another important question for essay question is Boolean algebra. By using Boolean algebra, what are the theorems present in Boolean algebra? What are the various rules present in Boolean algebra? You have to learn effectively, then you will get one question from Boolean algebra. Basic theorems and properties of Boolean algebra also important. Sometimes they will give one expression, convert and simplify the expression into short form, that is based on simple Boolean algebra. Basic theorems and properties of Boolean algebra is very important, and codes also important. Hamming code and gray code very important. You can see BCD code. BCD code is very simple. XS3 code also simple, but the difference is gray code and Hamming code are unweighted codes, non-weighted codes. How to convert a number into gray code, how to convert a number into Hamming code, that is very important. Next is truth tables of various logic gates. You have to learn all logic gates including XOR and XNOR also. Truth tables. Then you will get essay questions or short question also. Not OR, not NAND, XOR, XNOR, all this will be. Next is half adder and full adder. By using combinational circuits, by using logic gates, if you construct a half adder and full adder, then those are half adder and full adder are combinational circuits. Combination circuits are those doesn't have any memory. Any memory doesn't have. It depends. The output depends on present input only. There is no feedback in combinational circuit. Whereas sequential circuit, feedback and memory will be there. Coming to combination circuit, half adder and full adder diagram is very important. Draw or explain half adder and full adder with a neat diagram by using gates. Next is introduction to sequential circuit. Sequential circuits are those which is constructed with gates and memory also. Those are flip-flops, registers and counters. You will get flip-flops, registers and counters. Elementary treatment only. How the register works, how the counter works. What is sequential circuit? You will get in these three also you will get essay question. Registers and counters, half adder and full adder, registers and counters, and gates, different gates, Boolean algebra, theorems and properties, and what are codes. These are the important topics in Unit 3 Digital Electronics. The digital electronics, first is start with digital electronics number system. Number system conversion, one number system to another number system, you have to learn perfectly while converting one numbering system to another numbering system. And different properties and theorems in Boolean algebra, commutative law, associative laws, and identity laws, which are in Boolean algebra, you have to learn. Then truth tables, effectively you have to learn truth tables of all logic gates. Representation of logic gate also important. If you see AND gate, some persons will be write AND gate will be like this, not like that exactly. You can draw AND gate simply by drawing D. Don't write very lengthy logic gates. NAND gate will be and not. A NOT gate is like this, an inverter. NOT gate is an inverter. We have to draw like this NAT gate by using NOT and NAND. NAND and NOR are why those are called universal gates. We have to explain what is meant by universal gate. Universal gates are those why we are calling as universal gates. Those are very important. Again, we'll see what are the digital electronics important topics. Number system, conversion, gray code, Hamming code. In these two, you will get one code definitely in exam. Whereas Boolean algebra, theorems, all theorems you have to learn, all the properties also, simple formulas based on OR gate, NOT gate, A into A into A dash, like the truth tables you have to learn. Next, combinational circuits, half adder and full adder. Next, introduction to flip-flops, registers and counters, these three. These are the important topics.